Are you using TV Mate but still scrolling endlessly, dealing with lag, or missing features you're literally paying for? You're not alone. Most users only tap into 30% of what TV Mate can actually do. In this video, I'm going to show you the hidden features that instantly upgrade your IPTV experience and save you time, effort, and even money. Welcome to Tech Vibes. Let's unlock the real power of TV Mate. First, use multiple playlists like a pro. Instead of relying on just one IPTV source, you can add multiple playlists and switch between them instantly. This is perfect if you want US channels, UK content, and sports all in one place. But here's the key. Disable channels you don't use. Fewer channels means faster performance and less clutter. Second, clean up your EPG for a speed boost. Your EPG keeps refreshing in the background and slows everything down. Go into Settings, clear old EPG data, and reduce how often it updates. Set it to once or twice a day. This small tweak makes your app feel faster and smoother right away. Third, use global search to save time. Instead of digging through hundreds of channels, just search. TV Mate lets you search across live TV, movies, and series from all playlists at once. This is a huge time saver, especially if you have a big setup. Fourth, create your own channel groups. Don't rely on messy provider categories. Build your own. Create groups like sports, news, and movies. Now everything is exactly where you want it. This one change alone can make navigation feel 10 times easier. Fifth, build your favorites like a real TV lineup. Mark the channels you actually watch and use the Favorites tab as your main screen. Most power users never leave this section. It turns TV Mate into a clean, cable-like experience without the chaos. Sixth, take advantage of catch-up TV. If your provider supports it, you can watch past shows without recording anything. Missed a game or a show? Just go back and play it. No stress, no planning. Seventh, unlock pause and recording features. You can pause, rewind, and even record live TV like a DVR. Just connect external storage and you're set. This is a premium feature that most users completely ignore. Eighth, fix playback issues with external players. If certain channels lag or won't play properly, switch to an external player like VLC or MX Player. These handle streams differently and often fix issues instantly. Ninth, secure your setup. Use parental control and app lock. Set a PIN to restrict channels or settings. It's simple, but very useful if you share your device. 10th, always back up your setup. Once everything is perfect, save a backup. If you switch devices or reinstall, you can restore everything in seconds. No need to start from scratch. Now here's a bonus tip most people never try. Change the user agent if your provider blocks streams, hide unwanted channels for a cleaner look, and use remote shortcuts to control everything faster. These small tweaks make a big difference. Bottom line, TV Mate is way more powerful than most people think. Once you unlock these features, it feels like a premium cable system, but smarter and faster. If you need help setting anything up, drop a comment below. I'll reply within 1 hour and help you out. If this video helped you, like it, share it, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more smart tech tips. See you in the next one.